everyone, and good day. Welcome to this micro-credential lecture on global e-business and collaboration. My name is Wan. I'm one of the instructors for this MC course, and I'll be sharing with you on how businesses use information systems and teamwork strategies to succeed in today's global landscape. And as businesses expand across borders, they face both challenges and opportunities. This course, UMC349, Information Systems and Collaborative Strategies in Global Business, is designed to explore how technology and teamwork drive success in this increasingly interconnected world. You will learn the key concepts such as the role of e-business in global markets, the importance of collaboration tools, and how information systems enable innovation and competitive advantage. So in this course, we'll explore real-world examples, practical applications, and the latest trends that are shaping the way business operate around the world. Let's take this journey together to understand how technology and collaboration influence how businesses operate and grow. I am really looking forward to sharing insights and learning with all of you. Now, let's start with business processes. In this section, you should be able to define business processes and how they are related to information system. These are structured activities that help businesses achieve specific outcomes, like delivering a product or service. They span areas like sales, operations, and finance. Information systems play a key role here. They automate tasks, share data across departments, and provide real-time insights to make processes more efficient. For example, in order fulfillment, an information system connects customer orders with inventory and shipping, ensuring a smooth and fast process. By aligning business processes with information systems, companies can work smarter, not harder, and stay competitive. At their core, businesses are a collection of interconnected business processes. A business process refers to the flow of materials, information, and knowledge within an organization. These processes involve related tasks that are tied to specific functional areas. So functional areas here means the department, okay, like marketing or operations, or they can span across multiple departments. Yeah. They represent the collection of activities required to produce a product or deliver a service. So, business processes are the building blocks that keep businesses running smoothly and efficiently. So these are examples of business processes in each functional area, okay, the so-called departments. Let's take a look at the basic departments such as manufacturing and production, sales and marketing, finance and accounting, and last but not least, human resources. Each department has its own business processes. For instance, okay, if you can see here, finance and accounting. The business processes, the tasks, include paying creditors, okay, creating financial statements, and managing cash accounts. And if you look at human resource department, okay, business processes include, for example, hiring employees, evaluating employees' job performance, enrolling employees in benefit plans. Information technology plays a transformative role in improving business processes, such as increasing efficiency of existing processes. So information systems automate many steps, okay, in business processes that were performed manually. Okay, so previously it was performed manually, such as checking a client's credit or generating an invoice. Okay, and maybe shipping orders. Okay, so it was done manually, but today IT can do much more, okay, which enabling entirely new processes. Okay, so IT makes new ways of doing business possible. Okay, so you can see like changing the flow of information. Information systems enable real-time data sharing across departments, breaking down silos and improving collaboration, and replacing sequential steps with parallel steps. Instead of waiting for one task to finish before another starts, IT allows processes to occur simultaneously, speeding up workflows. Okay, and eliminating delays in decision making. Okay, so with tools like dashboards and analytics, managers can access insights instantly, enabling faster and more informed decisions. And last but not least, supporting new business models. Okay, IT opens doors to innovation. For example, the rise of e-commerce. Okay, it supports online transactions, customer service, and logistics. Okay, so by integrating IT into business processes, organizations not only optimize their existing operations, but also unlock opportunities for innovation and growth. Okay, let's now move on to the types of information systems. Okay, the second section of this chapter. Okay, so what we have here, okay, you can see that in organization we have different management groups, okay, that use various types of information systems. Okay, so we are looking at how do systems serve different management groups and how do enterprise systems improve performances. All right, so if you can see the lesson outcomes, okay, after completing this section, you should be able to describe how systems serve different management groups in a business and how enterprise-wide systems improve organizational performance. From this slide, I will explain the types of information systems served at different levels in organization. So let's start with the biggest level, if you can see here, which is the operational level. Okay, the system running on this level is called Transaction Processing System, okay, TPS in short. Now, most business intelligence systems are served at both middle management and senior management level. For middle management, the systems are called decision support systems, okay, and management information system. While for senior management, which is the top level in organization, uses executive support system or ESS. I will elaborate on the first type, which is transaction processing system, TPS. And as I explained before, this system is used by operational managers, okay, and staffs, which is the bottom part, okay, the bottom level of in organization. So what does the system do? Okay, what does TPS do? It performs and records daily routine transactions. Okay, for example, sales order entry, payroll, hotel reservation and shipping. Okay, and it allows managers to monitor the status of operations and relations with the external environment. Okay, this system has predefined structured goals and decision-making criteria. So this is an example of transaction processing system, TPS, for payroll processing. So you know that a payroll system keeps track of money paid to employees, and employee timesheet with the employee's name, employee number, number of hours worked per week. It represents a single transaction for this system. And once this transaction is input into the system, it updates the system's master file, okay, the database that permanently maintains employee information for the organization. The data in the system are combined in different ways to create reports of interest to management, okay, and maybe government agencies, and to send paychecks to employees. And managers need this TPS, to monitor the status of internal operations and the firm's relations with the external environment. And TPS are also major producers of information for the other systems and business functions. So the two systems that we have here, Management Information System, MIS, and Decision Support System, DSS, are served at middle management, and it support non-routine decision making. These are the system for business intelligence, or BI. So BI is a term for data and software tools for organizing, analyzing, and providing access to data to help managers and other enterprise users to make informed decisions. It addresses the decision-making needs of all levels of management. And MIS provide performance reports and routine answers from TPS data with predefined procedures, typically with little analytic capability. The information from the reports is used to monitor and control the business and predict future performance. And MIS summarize and report on the company's basic operations using data supplied by TPS. While DSS focus on problems that are unique and rapidly changing, it means that the procedures for arriving at a solution may not be fully predefined in advance. So it may use external information such as current stock or product prices of competitors, as well as internal information from TPS or MIS data. Now to better understand transaction processing systems and management information systems, we can see three examples of transaction processing systems, which are order processing system, material resource planning system, general ledger system. So these three TPS supply summarized transaction data to the MIS reporting system at the end of the time period. So what managers does, managers gain access to the organizational data through MIS, which provide them with the appropriate reports. So this diagram shows how a typical MIS transforms transaction level data from inventory, production, and accounting into MIS files that are used to provide managers with reports. Now, we have this system, which is executive support system, served at the top management or senior management, meaning it helps senior management to make decision. So what the system does, it addresses non-routine decisions, and it which requiring judgment, evaluation, and insights, because there is no predefined procedures for arriving at a solution. Executive Support System, ESS, is designed to incorporate data about external events, for example, new tax laws, or competitors, as well as summarized information from internal MIS and DSS. Example that we can see for this ESS, such as digital dashboard with real-time view of firm's financial performance. Usually the information is delivered through portal. Thank you so much for watching. This ends the first part of the chapter, and I will see you in the next